Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Yusuf Azmi, enrollment number GL1807 and faculty number 18COB378.
Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Junaid Raza bearing enrollment number GK9210 and faculty number 18COB323. We have implemented the hostel facility management system as our minor project.
Now let's talk about why do we need a hostel facility management system. Well, up to this day, we still perform a lot of essential tasks in our hostels the way they used to be performed in the pre-automation era, or most probably the way they were performed 100 years ago. And due to this, a lot of valuable time and energy is wasted, which can be used for more important things. Down here, you can see a picture of what the allotment period in Suleiman looks like, and especially during this pandemic, it would be really chaotic if we were to reopen our colleges. Our solution is to make an auto allotment system and a Munchi landing service. It will be a website with these two main functionalities. Now, an auto allotment system basically allots rooms to students on the basis of their pointers, and the main preference is given to the pointer. And suppose if two students tie out on their pointers, then the preference will be given to the one who is pursuing a higher course, i.e., that the a PhD student will be given preference over a grad student, and a grad student will be given preference over an undergrad student. And suppose if those students also tie out in their courses, then they will be given preference via their enrollment number. That is, the person with the oldest enrollment number will be given preference and will be given a better room. In an ideal case, a one seater or a seater with with less occupants. Now, the auto allotment database consists of three tables. First one is the student table, which contains general information about the student, their name, enrollment number, pointer, course, and year. The next table is hall. It contains the normal info about the hostels and their rooms and their seaters and the available vacancies. And the third table is a relational table, which is made up of the student and the hall table. It's the allotment list, and it maps the student to their particular hostel or the hall. Okay, and you can see the database schema over here. Uh, Moving on, we have also integrated it with an admin portal so that the hostel management can easily add and edit students and rooms, and they can also perform auto allotment. They can initialize auto allotment from the portal. My friend Junaid will demonstrate this later, and they can also update the allotment list. In updating the allotment list, we also have added an year increment feature in which students are automatically upgraded when they reach the final year, and final students are often removed from the database. Muchi Dining Service displays the diner status and helps them in paying the dining bills online. So you don't have to go to the Munchi in person from now onwards. And we also have a Munchi admin portal which performs the tasks that Munchi performs, but like he can perform this now via computer and an online portal from where he can pause and resume a diner's dining. Now, we have some future plans for this. We have some future works we would like to work on. The first one is we would like to integrate a student login system to protect their privacy, and we would also like to integrate a functionality for downloading the databases as CSV files. We also plan on using machine learning to allot rooms to students, where we ask a student for his preferred roommates, and preferred room, and we will use make a recommendation system using which the student will get his ideal room. And we also plan on displaying menus on the Munchi page, because oftentimes the kitchen doesn't stick to the dining timetable, and it often comes as a surprise when you go in expecting chicken and they give you aloo bharta. Now I would like to invite my friend Junaid Raza to demonstrate on
Thank you, Yusuf.
how the website
Thank you,
works.
Yusuf, for concluding our website. Let me show our live application.
Oh yes, the website is live. You can access it from the link provided in the final report.
Okay. So this is a live application that we have made. So our application mostly consists of four parts, like the student list, the allotment is for the student, and the admin panel for the warden to apply the CRUD application, like create, delete, and read update all the student details from the warden login, and the Munsi student list. Here we can see that the dining database of all the student and the Munsi login system. So firstly, we have shown you the student list that were currently allotted. Like if we can see here the allotment list, the enrollment number, name, pointer, course. This will from the student database, and all the data of the hostel like room number, seater will come from the hostel database. So this is the allotment list. After going to warden login, it will ask for the username and password. After going through this page, we will see in this page where we can do all the things like add a new student. Let me show you by adding a new student. Like it will ask for the enrollment number first. I'm adding is a BTech first year. Yusuf, can you please turn off your camera?
Sure, sure, sure.
So we can see in a dashboard that the student is unallocated now. This is the bearing the enrollment number GK9210 and name is Hello World. So and similarly, we can also add the room vacancy here. We can choose for the room and also add the room number and room capacity and the vacancy that currently present in the room. And this is the main part, the auto allotment part. It will allot all the student present unallotted currently. I will show you later. And this do two function to edit the student and edit the hostel detail. Like if you go for the edit student and we search for the enrollment number, we will get the detail of the student that we have added. And similarly, we can also edit the hostel detail here. This is the year increment button. On click of this button, all the student, the year of the all the student will get incremented by one, and their pointer also incremented by three. And if the student is in currently in the final year, the data of the student will be removed from the our database. So I'm clicking on this button. So we can see the unallotted student will increase, and all of the previously allotted student which comes to their final years, they will be removed from our database. So we can now click on this auto allotment part because of the all the maximum of the students are unallotted, and this is the main part of our course of our project. Like on the click of this button, all the student will get allotted according to their pointers. So when we go to the main page, we can see the student list, and this is the search functionality. We can also search for the student from giving from here. Like if the student is allotted and in our system, we can we can see the detail of the student, and if not, then we can see this message. Like if we search, then we get the detail of the student. So this is all the allotment part, auto allotment part, and we are going to the Munsi part now. So here the Munsi part, that all we can see the detail of the all the student parent currently using the dining service of our hostel. So we can see their dining status here and the started date of that person and the expiry date of that person, and this is the remaining days, like how many days are remaining to end the dining service. And on the going to the dining student section, we can search for the student, and we can change our name something if we want to change an enrollment number and the dining status from here. Like we don't have to go to the munshi and tell him to stop or start our dining service. We can do it directly from the our website. So if I turn it off and press the change button, we can search it again, and we can check it is off. If the dining status is off, then the remaining days will not get decremented. Otherwise it will get decremented by one every day. So I am turning it on now. It will be updated here. So and also we can pay our mess fees for 1 month from this page. Like we can see the remaining days in showing 99 here, and on the click of this button like pay with the card, I have implemented the stripe functionality to do the payment. So I am filling the data. This is the currently dummy data. So after giving the payment, it will show this payment successful message. And if we go and search for that student here, we can see the remaining days incremented by 30 and the expiry date also incremented here. Like it was showing April now, before it was showing the March month. So this is all about this. And this we have also made the about us page that we have made this. And also we have the Munsi login part. Like here we can also get login by as a Munsi. And we have not implemented much service here. but we also think about to add something like adding and deleting some student details from here. And here also Munshi can see the last payment detail of the person here and the efficient of that person that were not present in the normal Munshi page because for the privacy reason. That's it. We have implemented this much for our application for now. Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you.